Nose blackheads removal. Extreme deep pore cleaning transformation. Some blackheads are small, barely visible, but some are deep, thick, and heavily packed inside the pores, the kind that normal cleansing can't remove. Today's treatment is different. This is an extreme nose blackheads removal with deep pore cleaning transformation, and the level of buildup is intense. The buildup over time. This doesn't happen in a day. It builds slowly, as oil, dirt, and dead skin collect inside the pores. With time, it becomes thicker, deeper, harder to remove. When pores become overloaded at this stage, the pores are fully congested. This leads to visible blackheads, rough skin texture, uneven surface. The skin starts to lose clarity. Step 1. Deep surface clean. We begin by removing surface oil. This clears the outer layer before going deeper. Step 2. Intense steam preparation. Steam is applied for a longer duration. This softens the hardened buildup inside the pores. Step 3. Extraction begins. Now the extraction starts. The first few blackheads begin to release. Slowly, the pressure pushes out what has been trapped inside. Step 4. Extreme extraction phase. Now we reach the most intense part. Thick, deep blackheads start to come out. Some resist, but with controlled pressure, they release completely. Step 5. Full deep cleaning. Each pore is cleaned thoroughly. No buildup is left behind. The surface begins to feel lighter and look clearer. Step 6. Skin recovery. After intense extraction, the skin is calmed, redness reduces, and the surface stabilizes. Final transformation. Before, heavy buildup. Deep blackheads. After, clean pores. Smooth surface. A powerful deep pore cleaning transformation. Final message. What builds up over time can't be removed instantly, but with the right process, the skin can reset. If you enjoyed this extreme nose blackheads removal, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more deep pore cleaning and satisfying skincare transformations, stay connected.